Hi! I am doing my favorite, so far, favorite nature walk because it happens to be like a 3-minute drive from my apartment complex at the moment. And it's so close and it's so beautiful and I love this trail and it's calm and it's peaceful and it gives me my nature, which I've determined in my life I need. So loving it, and I just wanted to share a little bit of this place with you guys. So join me on my walk. As you can see, I'm sure you can imagine why I love this path so much. Usually it's not very crowded. I'm sure it's way too hot to do in the heat of summer, but it is just, it's like being transported into another world. It's quiet. It's a sandy little path, even though we're in the middle of Florida. We're central, but there's sand everywhere. A lot of Windermere's like that. Some of the roads are sand. It's just so cool. So anyway, it's still fairly cool. It's in the 70s this morning. It's around 11:38 a.m. Callie and Claire and I walked over to a place for breakfast. So we got to go do that. It was nice. So I'm walking off some of that. Just wanted to get out and get moving a little bit. And then a little bit later, I think that Claire and I are going to go to the pool because the next 3 days it's supposed to rain. So I think that's what we're doing a little bit later this afternoon. So my days are a little different with Claire and Gracie here. It's a really good different and I'm loving it. But I still need my moments to find my peace in my nature. So that's what we're doing. So a little bit of house news. We believe we found a house. We have put in an offer. It was accepted. We had the inspection, and we've just read over the inspection report of a few things that, you know, a thousand little things, you know what I mean? So I think we found a house. It just seems like a comfortable fit for us. It's a bit smaller than what we were intending, but you know, that's okay. We probably should try to do that anyway. There was another one, it was between this one and another one that was a lot larger and a lot more grand and all that, but it just didn't feel like us nearly as much. And this is in a neighborhood that we really love, and I'm just kind of hoping that it all works out for sure. It's not official and it's not final, and it won't be for a few weeks. It's going quickly though, because we're offering cash. You know, we're spending cash, which makes it a whole lot faster. So that is going to be nice, that we don't have to wait months and months or anything. So I think we found it, guys. I think we found a house. It's not going to be everything we wanted at the very beginning. We might need to redo some things, and we need to do new bathrooms and, you know, possibly kitchen and stuff like that. But it's very livable the way it is. It's a beautiful home. Well built, all that kind of stuff in an established neighborhood. So we think it is a good fit. So that might be happening. So I'm really excited about that, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So that's a big fun thing. Plus, we are going to be taking a trip that we had planned a while ago, like 2 days after we close on the house, if it all goes through. So yeah, we'll close on the house and then basically turn around and take a trip. We're going to the Bahamas to it's only like for 4 or 5 days. So that will be another interesting thing. I'm excited about it. I'll tell you all about that trip, you know, as soon as I can get everything else organized. But here I am at the end of my little journey. I'm going to sit here for a moment and breathe and take in the nature, and then head back down the path, back to the car, and go start the rest of my day. But I just wanted to check in with you guys really quick, let you know what's happening, let you go on this walk with me because it's absolutely spectacular and I loved having you with me, and tell you about the house news. So talk to you later.